Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm gonna be doing a long overdue updated get ready with me. This is my first time in some months, not even months, some years. Excuse the back, I'm in the midst of doing laundry, so yeah. My lips is a little dry though. Alright, so we're just filling in the brows right now. I'm pretty sure this is my BH Cosmetics palette I'm using in the color black. Filling it out, dancing, out. Alright. What the fuck is that shit? Didn't even realize that shit was going crazy. Oh. Filling in the top of the brows, using that same concealer because we are going to blend it out later. Ooh. Period. Blending that same concealer out. Actually, I think this is the Tarte concealer in a shade lighter, just to have a good base for my eyeshadow. Using a 3503 palette. I don't know why it looks so backwards. I gotta see what the fuck that's about, but yeah. Just going into that brown. Gonna use that as my transition color. Dang, that was a lot. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn. Yes, blend. Now I'm going into the orange. Yeah. On to the next eye. I did the other eye off camera because I just wanted you guys to have something to see what it was going to look like and how my process was going. So I skipped throughout the process of me finishing the first eye, and the second eye is going to be basically the tutorial of the eyeshadow. Alright, welcome back guys. I do believe we're doing the next eye. We are going back into the 3503 palette. We're gonna pick up the super pigmented pink shade after I get this note out, I guess. Going into that super pigmented pink shade, and that's gonna be taking all over our lid into that cut crease that I made with the concealer. Just gonna pack that in and covering that whole concealed area. Alright, so I'm going back into that brown to kind of smooth out the transition lines from the pink to my transition shade, which you basically cannot even see anymore, but that's kind of what I am going for. And then after this, we're going to do the eyeliner, and I did do that after camera. I also had to do the rest of my eyeshadow and my foundation process because I can't get the other part of the video to export to this project, so we're just gonna have to, you know, do what I do. But I'm blending out my Toffee concealer, my LA Girl concealer in the color Toffee, blending that out under my eye and my chin. So I just added this clip just so you guys can see what my face looked like, because the rest of my footage kind of just got destroyed a little bit. I thought I was just recording. Okay, I guess I was not. So this is the final look, guys. I did change the lighting a little bit because I felt like you could see the beat a little better in like a lower lighting, dimmer lighting. I'm not really sure. Lower lighting. And I really like it. I didn't really do too much like how I usually do. Oh my god, how did I forget? Not all that. and I have to get a new nose ring because the one I took out was freaking green. But yeah, so yeah, it was just basic. I didn't do much because it was a spontaneous, spur of the moment type of thing. I've been planning to come back to YouTube actually this weekend. I was planning to upload on this weekend, but I got home and I'm just like, why not just do a little makeup video real quick? So here I am doing this look for you. Boom, bam, bam. So yes, I don't really do my hair. I kind of always just wear it out cray. They're locks. I let my hair do whatever it wants to do. Sometimes I style it, not really much though. And right now the middle is going through it, but we about to get that fixed on Friday. So, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first time back in a long time. It's been a minute. I don't know why I always do this, but this time I'm back for show.